The White House Budget Office says it has started handing out layoff notices to federal workers as the government shutdown reaches day 10. Employees at multiple government agencies, including the Homeland Security, Treasury, and Health and Human Services departments, have all been impacted. The announcement comes one day after President Trump threatened to make major cuts to what he called Democratic agencies. CBS News political reporter Zak Hudak joins me now with more on this evolving story. So, Zak, who exactly is targeted in these layoffs?
Chanel, we are still figuring out the exact folks at these agencies who have been targeted. We've gotten a few of the letters, but have not yet picked up on a specific trend. We can report, as of just a few minutes ago, that the Department of Housing and Urban Development is also being affected by these cuts. I corresponded with one of their spokespeople just before coming down for this hit. But I think that there are some indications from what the president has done throughout this shutdown that tell us about the kind of people who will be impacted. Last week, as he was making similar threats that Democratic priorities would be targeted, he cut over $7.5 billion for energy funding that was all from states that voted for Kamala Harris. That was 17 states, and every single one of them voted against him in this past election. He also cut $20 billion for a transit program in New York that should have built a tunnel from New Jersey to New York for trains, and another $2 billion for a Chicago transit program. So it's clear that he is going to be targeting programs that Democrats see as helping their liberal interests, and that he sees as not helping his agenda.
So, Zak, what happens to these people when the government reopens? I mean, are they going to get their jobs back?
That's unclear at this stage. The way that these reductions in forces work, you are limited when someone is furloughed to a 30-day furlough. After that, it triggers a reduction in force, and the options are they get reassigned, they have their job duties changed, or they are fired. So we don't know yet, and we've been asking for answers, but the Office of Personnel and Management has been very mum on this so far, and we will be continuing to ask and keep you posted.
All right, lots to follow here. Zak Hudak, we appreciate the update.